In this video, we will discuss how to maximize profits with MACD and which indicator is more compatible with MACD. We will learn about this strategy now. Before we start the video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please don't forget to subscribe and give a video thumbs up. Your support means a lot to us. Similar videos will follow if you enjoyed this one. For those of you who haven't seen this strategy in this video before, it's a new system from recent tests. The main idea of our system is to generate signals before trends, as you can see here. It provides signals at the tops and bottoms, making it an excellent indicator system. With this system, when you conduct backtests, you will see the excellent signals which this video provides. It is a fantastic opportunity to use this system for free and get these great signals from TradingView for free. Now let's understand the logic of our system. With this system, we can determine the current trend and generate buy and sell signals. The two indicators implement each other, making it easy to use. First, we integrate the first indicator. The name of the indicator is Coral Trend Indicator is written by LazyBear. We add this indicator to our chart. In the Inputs tab, the settings remains the same, and style section we can close the background color and bar color. The usage of this indicator is straightforward. If it continues in green or switches from red to green, it signals an uptrend. If it switches from green to the red, it signals a downtrend. Now let's move on to the MACD indicator. To integrate this indicator, we can go to the Indicators tab and write MACD, the Moving Average Convergence Divergence Indicator. The MACD works by observing the crossing of the blue line and orange line. This MACD line and signal line. If the blue line crosses above the orange line and a new candle forms, it gives a buy signal. If the blue line crosses below the orange line and a new candle forms, it gives a sell signal. It's important to note that using the upper indicator alone may have risks, so we integrate MACD to filter out false signals. MACD provides additional confirmation to our signals. After adjusting the settings for both indicators, we save the system for later use. Now let's discuss how to identify the best buy signal. Look for a buy signal from the Coral Trend Indicator. Let's look for a buy signal from the Coral Trend Indicator. When it happens, wait for the MACD indicator to confirm it by showing a buy signal as well. It may happen before this Coral Trend Indicator signal. This double confirmation enhances the reliability of the signal. Similarly, for sell signals, look for a sell signal from the Coral Trend Indicator and confirm it with a sell signal from the MACD indicator. This switch from green to the red, and this crosses in MACD indicator. For example, as you can see here, the dots of the Coral Trend Indicator's color turns from green to the red, and there is crosses on a MACD. For example, if I take here the sell position, the first red dots, and if I put the stop above the dots, and I can make the risk reward ratio at least 2. For example, here there was crosses on MACD indicator. I take buy position in the first green dots and put the stop below the dot and make risk-reward ratio 2. To maximize profits, we use trailing the stop loss method. For example, we set a stop loss percentage below our entry point, and as the price rises, continually adjust and trail the stop loss. This method allows us to follow the trend and protect our gains. In summary, this video provides a powerful trading strategy combining the coral trend and the MACD indicators. However, this doesn't mean that it will always work perfect. These indicators also give false signals, and you should expect this because no indicator or strategy will give you 100% guaranteed signals, and no matter how accurate the indicator or strategy is or how much experience you have, losing trades are always a part of trading. Remember, backtest these strategies yourself and learn price action, follow the risk management rules, and more. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment for me. I will answer your questions as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and press the bell so you can be informed about my new videos. See you in the next video.